Driveway crack repairs fail prematurely when basic preparation and technique are skipped. Effective crack repair starts with cleaning. Remove all loose debris, vegetation, and dust using a stiff brush, a wire scraper, and a pressure washer if available. Then allow the area to fully dry for at least 24 hours in warm, dry weather before proceeding. Choose a filler designed for the material you are repairing and match flexibility to expected joint movement. Use a routed and widened crack for cold joints in concrete so the sealant can bond to two vertical faces rather than just the top surface. For deep cracks, back them with foam backer rod to control sealant depth and prevent three-sided adhesion, which causes premature failure, and compress the backer rod so the sealant sits at the recommended depth, typically about 1/4 to 1/2 inch below the surface for most products. Always check the temperature and humidity range printed on the product label and avoid application if the surface temperature will be below 40 degrees or above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, or if rain is expected within the cure time, because improper cure impairs adhesion. When tooling the sealant, use a concave finish and a wet finger or a rounded tool to remove trapped air and ensure full contact with the crack sides. Then allow the full cure period before opening to traffic, usually at least 24 to 72 hours depending on the product. Finally, protect the repair from edge traffic while curing by blocking ends with tape or sandbags to prevent the sealant from being pulled out before it sets. Common mistakes are poor cleaning, which leaves dust and oils that prevent adhesion. Solve this by sanding or abrading the crack sides and using a solvent cleaner, then allowing complete drying before sealing. Using the wrong sealant or applying too deep without a backer rod leads to three-sided adhesion and early failure. Use a compatible flexible sealant and foam backer rod to set the correct depth. Ignoring temperature and moisture limits or finishing badly traps air and prevents proper bonding. Always follow the product cure specifications, tool for contact, and keep the repair protected until fully cured. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work by listing their services and responding to homeowner requests. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real-world repair experiences together.